Hello, welcome to Tech with Dots. If you want to create a login screen like this that you can see, or you want to improve your login screen after looking into this, okay, then this video is especially for you. Okay, so let's start without wasting time. So in this session, what you will learn how to design login form with easy steps, okay, and simple and attractive design that you have already seen. One with the help of HTML, second CSS, and third is jQuery version. Okay, right now I am using 3.4.1, which is minified file, and the fourth one is Bootstrap 3.3.7 CSS file. Okay, if you want to download these dependencies, then I will leave a description with the link from where you can download. Okay, so let's switch to code content, from where I will explain how can we create this login screen. Okay, let's start. So in this screen you can see I have a project with name .NET Concept, right? And in that I have a page which is login.aspx, okay, that I have created just for you to understand. Okay, and okay, let's see what are the things here. So what we are doing, it is a typical HTML. You can use it in anywhere. Either you are using ASP.NET MVC, you are using ASP.NET Model View Presenter Pattern, you are using ASP.NET with web form, or either you are using ASP.NET Core. Okay, so you can apply it anywhere. So it's not make a difference. Either using HTML, you just need to remove the run at server tag and it will work like that. Okay, so it is very simple to use, it is very simple to create. Okay, so what we are doing, we are using JavaScript 3.4.1 version. We already discussed. One is Bootstrap 3.3.7 version, that is fine, and one we are using is site CSS file, okay, which exists in style folder. I will go through you that file as well. So in this we have a form. Okay, we have created a form and give its name class master, and we have panel control there, and we can see we have a label, we have a username, text box for enter user ID, and for the password type password control. Okay, and a checkbox which is for remember me, and a label which is for error display message. Okay, and one button to perform the login action. Okay, and now we have a forgot password. If forgot password option is available for the user, so what we can do, so we are using the mail to in hyper reference. Okay, and at the end we are creating the copyright section. Okay, that we can see copyright. And one more thing, we don't have an account. If user face this thing, then you can click on the link and the mail option will be available to the user. Okay, this is the site cascading style sheets. Okay, you can see this is a login page CSS file where I'm explaining the classes that I have used in my login page and what properties I have applied: margin, somewhere left, border, padding, to give the align to the any device. It is compatible with the laptop, desktop and tablet, but not for mobile devices. Okay, so let's start this solution. So if you want this code, so I have already uploaded this code on my blog, and I will provide the link in the description of this video from where you can use this code. Okay, if it helps for you. So you can see my page is successfully loaded, and it is just like same that I have shown you. Okay, we have a forward password from where we can see the mail to link is going to generate. One is click here to contact for the admin. Okay, there's a copyright. Okay, one more thing I would like to say, in this screen you can see the upper version is without Bootstrap. Okay, and the version which is on downside, it is after using Bootstrap. So it is up to you, either you want to use Bootstrap or not, but Bootstrap gives more beauty to your design, like round corners, like beautiful buttons creations, and so many stuff. Okay, I am using few of them. I hope you like this video. So and in the next upcoming video I will discuss how can we implement ASP.NET authorization with C# in new way. Okay, so stay tuned for this. If you like it, please subscribe it, share it with your friends. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day. Thanks for watching.